Children, so today we are going to continue the same lesson. So class 2 singular and plural, okay, language subject, okay, chapter 3. So now today exercise 1, let us discuss complete these sentences using the singular or plural forms of the names of the animals shown. Okay, now you see, if you see the picture, you will understand very clearly. The birds are flying. They have given two. So birds are two. So we have to write there birds. We should not write birds. See, birds. If you write bird only one bird will come. So we must write birds are flying. Full stop. Okay. Second one you see. The horses are smiling. The children, if you see the picture, the horses, so both of them they are smiling. So horses, yes, horses. Okay. Third one you see, the cow is dancing. So cow is only one singular. Correct, na? So here also plural, birds also plural, horses also plural. You see, the cow is dancing. Cow is a singular noun. Okay. The lion is sitting. So lion also only one singular. These pigs are happy. See, these pigs. Pigs matlab pigs. Okay? Pigs. Pigs is a plural form. So pigs are happy. Okay. So this is what. So the birds are flying. The horses are smiling. The cow is dancing. The lion is sitting. The pigs are very happy. Okay, dear children. So note this down. Note. Okay. Note it. In the copy. Okay. Now you see page number 26. Learn. They have given learn. You see the page number 26. Read the sentences. The babies are crying. The tree has colorful leaves. See this one. This page. Everything today. Okay. Notice the highlighted words. They are plurals of the baby and leaf, respectively. Now let us look at some ways of the forming plurals. So dear children, now you see singular nouns ending with y, remove this y and add is. So dear children, they have given you, now you see singular noun. See, one is a one puppy is a one singular, one. Only one. एक ही है. Now you see many puppies, both puppies. So we are removing this y. So they are telling the singular noun. Nouns end with see nouns singular noun end with y and add is, and we are adding singular of is. One puppy, many puppies. So we are removing this y and plural way we are adding is. Here no y you see. So many puppy no. If you write here wrong. Many puppies. So removing y here and writing is. So removing y here and writing is. You see, lady. Okay. So here also see y we are removing here and writing is. So ladies. So this y we are removing here. So lady is. Puppies. You see. So y we are removing. See. Puppy. And y we are removing here. Puppies. Ponies. Pony matlab small horses. Okay, we should know the meaning small horses, na? So puppies we know small dogs. Okay, you see ladies. Okay, one puppy, many puppies, small dogs. Flies. Okay, flies will be there na. House fly we say na. Small insects we say flies. Okay, flies. Okay. Bunnies. So what is the meaning of bunny? Bunny is a small rabbits, na? Small rabbits, baby rabbits. Okay, so we call it bunnies. Okay, baby, babies. Okay, we know. Butterfly, butterflies. Small insect. Na? So butterfly is a small an insect. Okay, so butterfly, butterflies. So IAS. So dear children, everywhere we are reviewing this why everywhere, and we are writing. So IAS, IAS, IAS. So this is the singular, this is the plural forms. Okay, first. So dear children, now you see, so singular nouns ending with y, when you remove y and add es. So here only we are removing y and adding is. Now you see here, singular nouns end with f or fe. ये दोनों का f or fe. Okay, remove f or fe. That means we are removing this f or fe and adding ves. So removing F or FE and adding VS. Here we are removing and adding VS. Knife, knives. Now you see FE we are removing. Here we are removing and we are adding here VS. Wife. And you see we are adding VS. Correct na? Now you see loaf. Okay, we are removing F here and G is loaf. See F we are removing. Okay, and we are writing loaves. LOAVES. Loaf matlab it is a piece of bread. Okay, piece of bread. Wife, wives. You know, right? Wife. So that one, wife, wives. Knife, cutting vegetable knife. Loaf, leaf, leaves. Leaf matlab that one. Trees, leaf na. Any leaf. Okay. Pata na. Leaf, leaves. Calf, cows. So it calf matlab small cow. Okay. Small cow na. Calf, cows. Plural form, cows. So VS. So VS. VS. Okay. Now you see thief. Chori wala. Thief. Thieves. Okay. Life. Lives. Elf. Elves. So elf matlab devils na. Devils. Very dangerous devils. We call it elf. Elf. Okay. Elf. Elves. Okay. Devils. Devil. Devils. Okay. Bhuta. Huh? So this one. So dear children, this much. Note this down in our copy. Okay, and write in the book also. And after that write in copy. Thank you. Again we will meet tomorrow. Okay. Thank you so much.